alaikum rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Peace of you guys. In this video, inshallah, I will explain to you about the location of the drum test in Seeb and how to start 4-stage tests. It avoids some of the mistakes that some student makes, so that you are not surprised by difference in location. And you must know also, you get idea about that location of the test before you are going there. So inshallah, in this video I will explain to you. Okay, thank you. All right, my good friends, so the first exam, it will be traffic signals. You have to go to the Traffic Safety Institute. You will do the exam there inside the office. Okay, my good friends, so the first stage, your trainer will guide you to the test hall, and then the examiner will test you with 15 questions. So you must answer 15 questions, and this will be your first test. Next, your trainer will take you to the drum location test. You will drive. This is the main road to the gate. So you will drive your car and to the location of the gate. Okay. So you will present your all required papers with the examiner and the gate. After the checking all your papers, you will be going inside. This is the parking area. From this point, your trainer or the instructor, he will go out from your car. You will be alone driving the car. So after that, he will talk to you about the location. But this at the time there, you have a short time to understand what the trainer trying to tell you. It's too fast, so you don't have time to. Sometimes you cannot understand what he's saying because you are on location already and you want to go inside. So this video I make because I'm trying to explain to you before you go in there, so you have idea about the location of the test. Anyway, so the instructor, your trainer, he will go out. He will tell you, okay, good luck, try your best, and he will drive your car to the junction here. You have to stop in junction. Sometime it will be traffic, too much cars of the students for the test. Sometime you will see the location is not too much cars. Anyway, you will enter from the junction here to go to the right. Okay. After that, you will choose the location number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Which one is not too much cars there? You can go. You can choose. You will choose example number 1. You will be entering the drum from the left. You will stop. The examiner will come to you. He will take all your papers, documents. After he checking everything, he will tell you maybe to go to the left, maybe you go to the right. When you pass from the left, you go again to the right. When you go back reverse from the right, you're going out. Then the examiner, he will come to you again. Example, if you pass, you give you all your documents. He will tell you go to the slope. But if you touch the drum from left, from right, even you are going the first time entering, you touch the drum, the examiner, he will come to you. He said, okay, you touch the drum, sorry, go out to the parking. Okay. But if you are pass from the left, the right, you will going back reverse. The examiner, he will come to you, give you all your documents. He will tell you go to the slope. Then you will drive slowly. Also try, don't touch the drum, and you will be exit from here. Don't go right, only you have to go left, but you have to check from the right, because other student coming from the slope, they are going already out. So before you are going left, you have to check from the right, make sure there's no car. When you check already from the right, safe to go left, there's no cars, okay, you will be drive slowly going to the slope. Take there's a two lines, you have to take a right line actually, but before there's other students also waiting here in junction. They want to go to the drum test. You have to be careful, drive slowly, you have to check this area. Probably good. You'll be driving to the slope, take the right line, don't take left, take this line in the right. You will be driving where? To the slope. From this point you have to stop. Probably good. Full parking, under brake, you will go out. Okay, so you stop your car, probably good. Full parking with the hand brake up, don't forget. Okay, so you will get out from the car. You get out of the car with all your documents to give the police, the examiner. Then the examiner will tell you, okay, my friend, go to your car. You have to drive to the slope. Then you will come to the car. You will drive your car to the slope. Don't be rush, easy, relax. Okay, the slope it is more easy. Okay, so don't be afraid. The car will going down. Okay, then the signal will be red. So the signal will be red. So the examiner, he will open for you green and you will go. So you will drive where? Halas, you will drive outside. Relax. Be relaxed. Okay, be relaxed. While you are going down, don't press the accelerator. No, you need to press the brake. Don't press the accelerator because the car will fly. Remember, don't drive too fast. Keep your feet at the brake. Drive slowly to go out, take this line. Okay, and be careful also from this area exactly who is going out from the drum. There's 4 drums area, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So while you are driving from here, be careful from anyone going out from the drum. So you drive slowly until you go out. Okay, also you have to be careful when you are going to where? To the parking. You will turn to the right, then again to the left. Okay, so okay, but don't try some students, because some students by mistakes they don't know where the exit to the parking. So what they will do so what they will do, they will already pass from the slope. Of course they will go out, but what they do, they're not going out, they will drive again to the slope. They will not stop, they will go direct again. Finish from second time slope, they will go again to the slope. Why? They don't know where the exit. This is the problem. They know, but sometimes they forget, and they will go again to the slope, and they will go again. It's like, so the examiner cannot go out. He will tell you stop because he's inside the office, and the instructor, it will be out of the location. How they are going to stop you? You're going to drive in this area, like so maybe the first time you pass, but because if you're going again and again and again, maybe you fail. So if you have failed already, you fail because you're going by yourself. Nobody told you to go again and again. So don't try to go again to the slope. No, go out. You have to go out to the parking. Park your car outside. So the instructor, he will waiting for you, your trainer, and then you will go to take your documents from where? From the slope. You have to go by walk. You have to go by walk to the slope area. You will get your documents from the examiner. Take your ID card, of course. They will give you and come back to your car. And some other students, when they are already finished from the slope, they're trying to go out. They will go out the parking, but they will go where? They will go to the outside of the road. You know, they will go outside of the road. Where they can go? So after that, some students, what they do, when they already finish from the slope, they will go out to the parking. Then what will happen? By mistake, they will not stop the car here because you have parking left, right. You can park anywhere. But what they will do, they will drive the car outside of the main road. They will drive the car. They forget. Many students, they do this mistakes because they don't know what to do, and they have to park here at the parking. But because they are, maybe they forget or something, they go outside of the main road. So it will be dangerous, this one. No, my friend, you have to park. When you finish from the slope, go to the parking and you park your car here inside the location. Don't go out. Don't go out of the main road. You have to park your car here, okay? And don't go for slope 5 times, because what will happen if the examiner see you? They will think maybe this guy, maybe he like to go for slope again, maybe he like the slope, so that's why he leave you. After that, you will fail. What will happen? You will fail in the slope. You will come back again another 5 days. You will do the slope test again. So don't go to slope many times. Only one time go out to the parking. And don't go out on main road. No, you have to park your car inside the location. Okay? Inside the location. There is a parking. Parking in the left, the right, no problem. Okay, my good friends. So after that, when you finish the slope test, drum test, you will go again, same department. Okay, when you are doing the signal test, you will do again driving simulation for 5 minutes. After that, everything is okay, done, go home. You guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video it's useful for you. I try my best for to explain to you about the location. Otherwise, your instructors also, they will explain to you before you go there. Okay, all the best. Thank you.